Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align circle shapes in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a page. Then go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. Then find and select the shapes tools and click the drop down menu. And we can see here many shapes. Now I am select the ellipse tool. Then draw the ellipse, press shift on our keyboard. Then select the move tool. Then click the alignment option and we can see here alignment horizontally or the vertically. You can align to any. Align. Now I select the center. We can see the circle is center aligned. You can align middle or the top, bottom or the left or the right. Now I am select the center and middle. Then click the apply option. Now we can see we make alignment a circle very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.